let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us tango choreography with teaching count. And slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with 2 tango walks, curved slightly to left. We continue with Fallaway reverse slip pivot. Then open Telemark, notice ladies heel turn here. Then promenade pivot, then check back and finish in promenade position. Then promenade swivel with extra slow and outside swivel with Jete line. From here we dance natural promenade turn into rock turn, starting from step number 2. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and we are facing diagonally to wall. 2 tango walks, we curve in direction diagonally to center, in which we follow with Fallaway reverse slip pivot, down line of dance open Telemark. In same direction we move with promenade pivot, back check, and now diagonally to wall with promenade swivel, and then backing diagonally to center against line of dance with outside swivel, diagonally to wall with natural promenade turn to rock turn, which we finish moving back down line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.